Gene editing is a powerful tool that can change our society. It can make a major change in human society. Like we can cure many diseases, make our life better, like remove the bad genes and replace it with a new gene that better. And of course, it can be used on animals and plants too. For example, the mosquito contains many diseases it takes from other animals and spread through attacking other creatures. And we can change its genes to remove the disease and prevent it from getting disease from other animals. Or we can change the cow's genes to make it better. It can provide us more milk or meat. Yeah, like that, something like that. Now we have more food. And on plants, we can change plants' genes to help it live in different conditions and raise its survivability. Like potato, you can change the potato genes to make it better so it can live in the drought condition, need less water to live, to grow, and make the crop can deal with the bad weather like rain, flood or drought. Also can make it grow faster. That can provide us more food, more vegetable, and more nutritious. Yeah. Thank you for watching.